What's up guys, KP Moto, and today I got a package in the mail. It's from Straightline Performance. They hooked it up with one of their ultralight cans. It's not the trail can, it is the louder version, so disclaimer, do not use this on the trail. I'm not going to use it on the trail. If I have to go on a trail ride, I will put my stock can on, but let's get into it.
We'll get a little first impression here. This thing is nice. Straightline Performance. This thing is nice stainless. Look at those welds. Exhaust bung. It's kind of got that colorized look to it. It looks really nice. If you guys are new to the channel, well, my tunnel's broke. If you're not new, you already knew this. So I had a little bit of a hectic time getting it on the stand here, but see if we can get a clip of the stock exhaust. All right, so there's two springs here, a spring here, and one over there. Take all those out, pull your pipe off there. Before you forget, this base plate piece, I guess, goes in with that kind of tab there facing inside the tunnel, it looks like. And then they include it's like hose, kind of like a dampener piece. I guess I took my spring off for the actual pipe itself too. I think that sits in there. They want you to take the whole pipe off to do that, but I'm just going to cut a slit in this. I'm just going to wrap this around there, and they have this clamp. It's kind of like a wire or a metal zip tie basically. Took tin snips, cut that rubber hose, put that on right there, put that metal zip tie on. Now you're not going to be using this spring anymore here. So what you actually have is this little piece here, the little clamp. They give you a nut there. You can install that, and that's going to go around the frame and get tightened down like that. Once you get those two springs in place, you can get that tightened down. And I recommend tightening the clamp itself first, and then going in from right there with a 10 mil and tighten that up right in there. All right, let's hear this Straightline Performance. Yeah, it sounds good. It's got a little bit of a deeper tone at idle. It's not stupid loud at idle. Mid-range, not bad at all, but then wide open, it's pretty loud, so that'll be perfect. And this is not for trail use, obviously. This is not a trail can by any means. I am not going to be trail riding it with this can on. If I have to go ride trails, I'll switch over to my stock can. No big deal. A couple springs and that bracket, really.